Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to transfer XRP from your Uphold account to your Decent wallet. The process is quick and simple, so make sure to watch till the end for the full guide. To begin, open the Uphold app or go to the Uphold website. This is where the transfer process starts. If you're using the app, tap on the Transact button. On the website, look for the section that says Anything to Anything. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Next, choose your XRP account as the source and be sure to select the XRP ledger as the crypto network. Using the correct network is important to ensure your funds reach the right destination. Now, let's prepare your Decent wallet. Open the Decent app, create a new account if you haven't already, give it a name, and make sure to enable XRP. This step sets up your wallet to receive the funds. Once that's done, go to the Receive section of your Decent wallet and copy your XRP wallet address. You'll need this address to send the funds from Uphold. Return to the Uphold app or website, paste your copied XRP address into the recipient field, and include the destination tag if one is provided. If you don't see a tag in your Decent wallet, simply leave that field empty. Next, select whether the recipient is your own wallet or someone else's. Since this is your Decent wallet, choose My Own Wallet. When asked for wallet type, choose Self-Hosted, then enter the provider name as Decent Wallet. Before finalizing, review all details carefully. Double-check the wallet address, network, and destination tag. Make sure everything looks correct. Once you're confident everything is accurate, confirm the transfer. You'll see a summary that includes network fees and the estimated processing time. And that's it! Your XRP has now been successfully transferred from Uphold to your Decent wallet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful crypto tutorials.